Okay, great minds, welcome to the part 2 of this introduction. So I'm going to, like I said in the first video, I'm going to introduce to you the apps we are going to be using for this editing, for this smartphone video editing. So the first app we are going to be using is called InShot. So when you go to your Play Store or you go to your Apple Store, download the app called InShot. So let me show you how it looks like. So this is the app. This is the app here. So this is it. InShot. This is the app. So when you go to your Play Store, you download this app called InShot. This is one of the app we are going to be using for this video editing. So the second app is called KineMaster. This is it here. This is the second app, KineMaster. So and the third one is CapCut. This is the third app. It's called CapCut. So in the case of this KineMaster, I'm going to tell you how you are going to download it so that you can download the latest version. And again, this KineMaster has to do with it functions based on the capacity and the will I say the functions of your phone. So KineMaster, in a way, the way it performs in a particular phone is not going to be the way it's going to perform in the other one. So it depends on the function of your phone and again the capacity of your phone. So there are some phones that KineMaster performs very well than the other. So but I believe that if you can download the latest version, it's going to do well in your phone. Then another thing is that this KineMaster is more like the overall, it's like one of the best video editing tool that you can use on your smartphone. So you try as much as possible to download it because it's going to be our the most app we are going to be using for this editing. So KineMaster is more like the superior. So and it's a free app, unlike some other bigger apps that you have to pay, but this one is free. So I prefer using KineMaster to other apps. It's free, it's versatile, and it's friendly, it's user friendly. So you try as much as possible to download KineMaster because most of our videos is going to be done on KineMaster. So try as much as possible to download it. As you can see them, CapCut. Let me as you can see this one. So as you can see them, this is KineMaster, this is CapCut, and this is InShot. So if you are using TikTok, I think you should be familiar with this CapCut. It's mostly a TikTok app that is being used to edit videos. So I know that most of you here are on TikTok, so you should be familiar with CapCut. So you are going to learn more on how to use CapCut to edit your TikTok videos. So in our next video, I'm going to introduce these apps to you. I'm going to open them and show you the tools. These three apps have similar tools. So I'm going to show you the functions of their tools, how you can use it, how you can navigate the tools. Their tools are similar. So I'm going to show you their functions one by one. So but that will be in our next video.